Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another edition of Lucky G. Our charts are here. Let the plan be very short. In this video, I'll be proving to you just 3 numbers. And on the WhatsApp side, I'll be posting only 5 numbers. No longer permutation today, no longer keys today. For YouTube, it's 3 numbers. On the WhatsApp, 5 numbers. We are treating 2 different plans. I'll treat one here and the other one on the WhatsApp. So thank you for coming to watch this video. In case this is the first time you're coming across this video, do well to like this video, subscribe, and share. Let's go, guys. The first time we are taking this on Golden Svenia. Golden Svenia at event 1243. 64 to play in position, last ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Single 4 will play in machine, and 12th week it will repeat. Lucky G at event 924. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Single 4 to play to machine and repeat. After I place to machine and repeat 5 weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 21 to play center ball winning. This one is working up. After single 4, play and repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Expect 21 to play center ball winning. After 21 plays center ball winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 21 in position to Malta to position. 21 in position to Malta to position. Supply 69. And on the current, let's confirm it here on the current from 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, let me take it again. 13 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th week. 21 in position will Malta to position. After 21 Malta to position, 1, 2, 3 weeks, 90 will play second ball winning. The following week, 11 will play first ball machine. 90 second ball machine. The following week, 11 first ball machine. From 69, 1, 2, 3, 90 to play position. The following week, 11 to play position. Now, from 11 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 63 will play center ball winning. From 11 in position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 63 in center ball winning. And that is telling us 90 in position to partner to position. 63 in position, 90 in position to partner to position. Supply 63 to position. After supplying 63 to position, the following week 76 to maintain center ball position. That is center ball machine. After 63, 76 should maintain center ball machine. And what is supplying us 76? Single 4 plays and repeat. Single 4 that plays and repeat should key. This is a classification chart game. This game is supplying us a win here today. Now, after 76 maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. That single 4 to move back on the 9th week, lap 18 to position. On this one here as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 9th week, single 4 should move and lap with 18 to position. Not just lap with 18. 90 in position that supplied us 63 should counter to center ball machine. Play with 86 second ball machine. That is single 4 in position. Single 4 in position would supply 86 to second ball machine. 90 in position would supply 45 to position. These three numbers played in position. Now, when these three numbers plays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 21 here in position should move. The following week, 61 will play center ball winning. On the current here, after these two numbers maintain position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks down, 21 should move. After 21 move, 61 to maintain center ball position. After 61 maintain center ball in winning. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 45 in position. Center ball machine to move back to first ball machine. 90 in position should counter from position to position. That is how many weeks? From 61 in position. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the Lucky G's current, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks down, 45 maintain its position here. After it maintained the position here, I've said it's just three numbers I'm posting on this one. It's now telling us 61 in position. After 45, 61 in position. One free banker. 61 in position should move. Now, aside 61 in position moving, 21 in center ball position. 21 in center ball position should bonus supply us 61. That's the second number supplying 61. Now, 76 in position. 76 in positions to turn. Give us 67. 76 in position. If it turns, we are getting 67 on that one. Now, 63 in position here again. 63 in position still supplied us 67. Second number also supplying 67. And for 17, 45 that move from position to position. Number 45 to supply us banker 17. Three numbers only on that one is what I'll be proving. And the second number supplying 17 is still 45, a jump from position to position. So we have just three numbers on this one, and 61, 67 happens to be my two direct on this plan with my permutation just three numbers. So thank you for coming to watch this video. If you find value in this content, please like this video for me. I've been trying to reach 1,000 likes for the past 2 weeks. We always get close, so we need just a little more people that are not liking the video to like for us. Once we get 1,000 likes, I will not be suspended. I'll be able to post regularly for you guys to enjoy this type of content. So do me a favor, like this video for me, and if you see anything I've skipped, nobody's an island of knowledge, so please tell me in the comment section so that we can work on it together. Don't be stingy with yours. I'm not stingy with mine. So until I see you guys again, do enjoy the rest of your day. 61 and 67. Good luck.